Okay, we're going to make fire with hand drill using a mullein weed stalk, a basswood hearthboard, and some shredded cedar bark. With hand drill fire making, it's important to apply a good firm downward pressure on the hearthboard, and I can do that in a kneeling position by leaning forward and bringing my upper body weight to bear down on the spindle. It's also important to reposition your hands as quickly as possible after each pass to minimize heat loss in the dust pile. Here we go with fire by hand drill. Alright, we got a nice coal. With fire by friction, it's always a good idea to ignite a backup coal. That way, if the initial fire making effort fails, you don't have to go through the effort of making another coal. There's my backup coal. So there's fire by friction by hand drill.